Hey guys! Today's video, I will show you how to download FIFA 23 on your PC. This is just a quick and simple tutorial, so just follow me. First, open your web browser and type EA Apps and go search for it. And you will be directed to the EA app. So go and click download the app. Once download is done, go click the installer and hit let's go. Just wait for a few seconds to finish the setup. And now, once done, you will need to log in if you have one. Or if you don't have an account, you need to create and sign up in your account. So in my case, I have an account, so I will use it for this video. So here now, I am at the EA app on my PC. So what I want to do is go and search for FIFA at the search tab at the top of the screen. And now, I'm here at the FIFA 23 game. I'm just gonna click select edition. And here, you will see the difference between the standard and the ultimate edition of the game. So let's say I'm gonna buy the standard edition, and you will be now redirected to the mode of payments available to purchase the game. So now, let's say I'm gonna use credit card. Once you fill up all the informations about your card, you're just gonna click the proceed to review order. Once all payment is settled, just go to library. And once you are here at the library, you will see the FIFA 23 and ready to go. So here you see I have Apex because I don't have FIFA. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.